In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a product that will be on sale. Now, this is similar to creating products where you give your customers a discount code. So if you've not watched that video, click on the link in the description and you watch that video where I showed you how to create coupon code that you can use for a time like Black Friday or any other anniversary that you are doing, where you want people to use a special coupon code to make purchase on your website. But in this video, we are going to learn how to create a product that will be on sale, where you make people see that this product was selling at a particular amount, but right now you are selling it at a particular amount, just like what you have here. So you can see that at the moment this product is selling for 3,000 now, but initially the cost was this. So this makes people believe that you are giving them an opportunity to purchase this product at a cheaper rate, different from what it is normally sold. So this can be also used when you want to also increase your sales. So you can discount your products, sell them at a cheaper rate for a particular period of time. So let's use this product and then see how we can say, okay, this product is selling now for 15,000. Now we want people to be able to purchase it at 10,000 naira, but let them be able to see that we have actually removed 5,000 naira from this particular product. So you go back to our products page on their dashboard. So this is our dashboard right now. So you are going to go to products and now look for the particular product where that you want to create the discount or the sales price on. Right now you see that product here, so you can actually click on edit to open that product in a new page where you are going to see every detail. So if you want to edit the description and other things, so you can do that. But let's say you just want to make the price to be on sale, so you can actually do that by just clicking on this quick edit here. So when you click on this quick edit here, so you are going to see all these options here. So now this is the price that this product is selling now, right? So you can now say, okay, this product, like I said, let's say we want to sell it for 10,000 naira now. Okay, so we put the price here, 10,000 naira. Okay, and that is just it. So when people go to the store now, you see that this product will change to a particular amount, right? So when we go to our store now, so you see that this product that was 15,000 naira will now be showing us something like this. So you see 15 here and you now see 10. Okay, so we are going to do that now. So now another thing you need to do is to say, okay, because we have put our product on sale, you can also decide this sale that we are doing, for how long will it last. Okay, so now when you are doing this quick edit, you will not have the option to do all of that. Okay, so let's update first and see how it appears on our website. Then we can go back to the full edit where we can add more other options. So this, we can use this quick edit when we are just interested in just changing the price. We don't want to set a particular time when the offer is going to end. All right, so our product has updated now. So as you can see, this is the way the price is showing now. So if we go to the product, or even, okay, let's reload this our page here, and also this is the product page itself. So let's also reload the page so that we can see the effect of what we have done now. Okay, so as you can see now, we now have the old price, which is graded, and the new price, which is this. So on our main store too, we'll also have the same thing. So while that is opening, okay, so on our main store page as well, so you can also see that the price has changed here. Now let's just quickly see how to set a particular time when this offer will end. So what it means that when that date reach, the sale price will go off and the product will automatically return back to the original price. So to do that, we'll need the full edit option. So we'll click on the edit now, and then we can adjust the dates. Okay, so now that our product page, the backend has opened, that's the full editing of the product that we are adding the sales page. When you come to here, so if we use the full edit option, so you are going to see it like this. So under general, so you are going to see this regular price and sale price, which we've already done. Now here is where you are going to assign a particular time frame for this offer to last. So all you are going to do is to click on this schedule. Then you now put this time and say, okay, it's starting, for example, on the 30th, and then it's going to end on the December 9th, for example. And that will be also what it means is that after this date, once December 9th reaches, then the products will return back to this price without you doing anything. Then this sales price will go away. So customers can only now purchase this product at this amount. So now this also applies if you have variable products. All right, so if you have variable products, so you can as well put products on sale, setting the regular price and the sale price. So if you do not know how to create variable products, so I've also made a video where you can learn how to create variable products for your e-commerce store. So I'll put the link in the description or somewhere up here where you can find the video and also watch how to create variable products, and you can also apply the sale price to the individual products that you've created the variables for. Right, I hope you found value in this video. If you have questions, please drop it in the comment section, and also like this video so that other people will see it. And please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and I will be glad if you do that. And please click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you in the next one.